when this girl was eating her ice cream with cream on it, but suddenly all the ice cream started falling on the ground. She got scared and started screaming because she loved ice cream very much. Her brother saw her problem and quickly grabbed his emergency booster, and he filled air in the balloons one by one while the girl ran to save her ice cream. But will he be able to save the ice cream? But before that, whom will you like between Messi and Ronaldo? Do tell in the comment, and in this way, if you like and subscribe the video, click on the remix option and type on use this sound, then some magic will happen. The ice cream fell on the balloon and was saved.